In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital check-in system using Go High Level. By the end, you'll have a clean visitor form embedded on your website and an automation that notifies your team the moment someone checks in. Start by logging in to your Go High Level sub-account and head to Sites. From there, open Forms and choose Builder. The Builder lets you design forms with a simple drag-and-drop interface, so you can customize fields without touching code. Create a new form and rename it to Visitor Check-in. Clear naming keeps your assets organized as your account grows. Next, drag a field onto the canvas and rename it Purpose of Visit. Adding this field helps you instantly understand why someone is on site. Sales meeting, interview, delivery, or support, so your team can route them quickly. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. We'll now place this form onto a web page visitors can use. Click back, then return to Sites and select Websites. This section is where you manage the pages of your public site. Open your site, and in this example choose the primary business website. Add a new page. This creates a dedicated check-in screen that can be pulled up on a tablet at your front desk. Name the page Visitor Check-in, then click Create New Page to generate it. Open the page editor to design the layout and content. Inside the editor, click Insert Element. Elements are the building blocks, text, images, buttons, and forms that make up the page. Drag a form element onto the canvas. Select the form placeholder, then choose the visitor check-in form you created earlier. Save your changes so the page keeps your selections. Head back, then open Automation. This is where we turn the form into a live check-in system. Click Create Workflow and choose Start from Scratch to build exactly what you need. Add a new trigger and select Form Submitted, because we want the workflow to start the instant someone completes the check-in form. Save the trigger. Click the plus sign to add an action. Choose Send Internal Notification so your team receives an alert the moment a visitor arrives. This keeps front desk and relevant staff in the loop without manual calls or emails. Save the action. Rename the workflow to Visitor Check-in Workflow for clarity, then publish it to make everything live. You now have a digital check-in page connected to an automation that notifies your team in real time. Keep the page simple, make essential fields required, and ensure it's mobile-friendly for tablet use. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.